In this video, we test this crazy, fast, cheap RC car. Oh my God! A few years ago, I quit my job and I was completely broke and in debt. But I was lucky enough to speak to a few multi-millionaires, and what they taught me changed my life. So if you click on the link down below, I made a quick video and I'll show you what they taught me, and these things can change your life too. Guys, in this video, we're gonna unbox and test the J3 Speed. Well, Customs have already unboxed it kinda for me, but we'll take it out anyway. Oh, check it out, guys. But it's missing something. Stickers. That's better. Check it out, guys. Hold on, forgot something. Subscribe. Oh, check it out, guys. Alright, so let's have a quick look what's inside. So this looks very similar to the JLB Cheetah that I did a review on before, and if that's got anything to go by, this thing is going to go like an absolute rocket. So it comes with a 3S Lipo, but these can actually run on a 4S Lipo, and if you run these on a 4S, the speed is absolutely insane. And we're going to try that out in. So we've got double wishbone suspension on this one, obviously the blue arms, we've got the coilover shocks, which are threaded shocks, which are adjustable, alloy shock towers, alloy hinge pin braces. The chassis is a double deck chassis, so it's actually a plastic chassis, but underneath it is reinforced with metal as well. And so far, I've still yet to bend one. So it comes with a wheelie bar, and that is well needed. And the biggest difference I can see on this, other than the different body design and the blue arms, is that it comes with more sort of road-based tyres, probably which are going to be better for speed runs. And then we've got some headlights up front and tail lights at the rear. So this is a 120 amp ESC, which is 4S capable. And it looks to be like it's a hobby wing, or maybe it's a rebranded hobby wing. But these have got some speed in them, guys. And in a little while, you're going to see. So in the box you get everything that you need to get this car to run. So you get the car, transmitter, battery charger, instructions, but you do need to supply your own AA batteries for the transmitter. Now the LiPo on this is a 4,000 milliamp hour 3-cell battery, and you can normally tell when a battery is high quality because it's got a bit of weight to it. And, you know, a lot of these, when they're cheaper, you can sort of squash it and you can feel that most of it's hollow. This, it's got a good bit of weight to it. It's solid. So I'm expecting this battery to be really good. The charger can charge at 1 amp, and to charge it up, all you do is plug that plug into there and that into there. So when it's all charged up, then these lights here are going to go green. By the way, guys, I'm not going to bore you with all the specifications, so I'm going to put a link to this car down below. So I'm guessing with the supplied 3S Lipo, I'm guessing we're going to get around about 40, 45 mile an hour out of it. And with the 4S Lipo, I'm kind of guessing maybe we might see sort of over 50. But it's going to have so much power, it's probably just going to be popping wheelies. But I've got my GPS here, and today we're going to find out. Clickbait, here we go. Oh my God. Fire. Straight up post. This is the GPS that I use. The thing is with this, it's a little bit slow updating, so you've got to keep the full speed on for a while, otherwise it reads low. There we go, on 0. 52! Oh my God, 52! 4S is going to be like 60, but I don't think I'll be able to control it. It's like trying to wheel it at that speed. Well, that is crazy. Alright, now we're going to try the 4S. So I've got a 4S Lipo here. This one's a Fluion. I'm scared to hold it up and rev it. Oh my goodness. Oh my, he just tries to wheelie at any speed. Oh! Oh no! What happened? Alright guys, so I got no idea how fast that went, but I hit probably about as fast as it went the first time round. And, oh no, they can't down it. I probably hit about the same speed as I hit last time round. And give it a little bit more gas, and she just flipped over and hit the pavement. Hopefully there's no damage. Oh, 53 mile an hour. Alright, we're going to try and do it again. Alright, here we go. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god, guys! That rolled over about 20 times. Oh my god! What happened? Hopefully the GPS is still on the truck and not destroyed. Guys, on 4S, this thing is ridiculous. You cannot control it. It's just too fast. It's mad. It's crazy. You couldn't have it any faster. It's like maximum speed. It's still alive. It's still alive. Oh, GPS is on, and this time we hit 54. So that means we crashed. We crashed at 54 mile an hour. Uh-oh. No, we did break it. Uh-oh. Oh no, it's only just popped off. You can pop that back on. No, it's going to require two hands to... I think I need a tool, guys. Pretty uncontrollable without that link on the back. I want to see if I can get 60 mile an hour out of it. I reckon it'll do 60, but it won't stay on wheels at 60. There was actually no damage, but it was so stiff that we have to get some pliers on there to kind of force that back on there. But guys, this thing is so fast. On the battery it comes with, it is stupidly fast, probably way too fast. And if you put a 4S in there, it's just unusable. I mean, I want to try and wind it up somewhere and see how much speed we can actually get out of it, because this is actually one of the fastest RC cars that I've ever had. So and for the price, I'm going to put a link to this car down below. It's crazy what this thing can do. So other stuff coming to the channel very soon. I've got a brand new Nitro. This one here is the rally car version. So that's going to be unboxed and reviewed very soon. Then also we have this tiny little rock crawler, so we're going to do that soon as well. I've got another rock crawler here. This one here, it's got carbon fibre chassis, and it actually looks really good quality, so we're going to build that soon as well. And I've got the other bits that we need to finish at here. So this is some budget crawler combo. Super dirt cheap. I don't know how good it's going to be, but we're going to try and find out. Crazy cheap servo. So again, often with cheap stuff, it kind of sucks, but other times you can get some brilliant bargains. So this is what we do here. We test it out, see what's good and what isn't. A couple of servos here that we're going to put into stuff. I've got the Nitro here that we got to fix. I've got this one here, which I did a review on earlier, a few days ago. And yeah, a screw fell out, so I've got to fix that. What else we got going on? We got some Destruction Derby's going to come up with these Meccano cars. We got the world's worst build that you guys keep saying to me, when's it going to be done? Well, I need to find some more really bad parts. Drone wise, this one here, the 6S race drone, I'm having problems with it, so I need to sort that out. What else we got going on? What else? This radio here is, yeah, I'm going to do an unboxing on that soon as well. It looks crazy, super duper high quality, and I'm going to be putting that onto the armour up there, because they've got a bit of a delay when it comes to the throttle response. So I'm going to put a different radio on there and see how well it does. And also it needs a better servo, because the servos on those things are a little bit weak. So we're going to put a new servo in that too. And also today I'm going to go to pick up a Traxxas X01. It's one of the fastest, well, I think it's actually the fastest ready to run radio control car. And I want to race it up against this and see what's going to win. We're going to take it hopefully to Santa Pod, and we're going to have to track to ourselves, and we're going to put the RCs against that, and maybe some different cars as well. We'll see. I'm just in the planning stages at the moment. I'm talking with the people at Santa Pod, and we're trying to make this thing happen. But either way, it's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be crazy. Hopefully we don't crash stuff. but there's loads of stuff coming to this channel very, very soon. By the way, if you don't know what Santa Pod is, it is a quarter-mile drag strip here in the UK, the biggest quarter-mile strip here in, I think, in the whole of Europe, actually. They do all the Top Fuel finals there, all that stuff is all proper prepped surface. You'll see more of that soon. So make sure you subscribe and smash that bell button so you don't miss it. And also, give us a thumbs up if you liked the video, or give us a thumbs down if you suck. Oh, and another card to review here, so that's going to come soon. This is a brushless truggy, and also we've got a little helicopter here as well. Now, I've just actually joined a flying club, so there's going to be some different content on this channel soon. I'm not going to be turning this into a flying channel, so don't worry. It's still going to be mainly sort of radio controlled car stuff, real car stuff, monster truck stuff when I actually get off my lazy butt and build it. So don't worry, it's not going to be turning into a flying channel, but I do want to mix it up a little bit too.